All right, in this video, I'm going to go over how you can use location in SwiftUI. So we're going to make a little app that's going to allow you to get the distance of your location to a famous landmark. And so we'll start by creating a new project. Just click Create New Project in Code. We're going to go with iOS and App. Just hit Next. Give it a name. I'm using my location, and make sure it's SwiftUI. Click Next and save it wherever you need to save it. And it opens up to this. The first thing that we need to do is add a privacy key. This allows the app to access your location. If you don't put this in, it will never ask you for permission to access your location. Go to Info, and under Custom iOS Target Properties, any of these in here, you can just hover over and click the little plus sign. It allows you to add your own new key. We're adding this NS location key, which I'll provide this and all the code in the description. When you add, the key, Xcode, auto populates the field with another message. That's just fine. You can move on and put in a message for the value. This is any message you want that describes why you are asking for location permissions. That's it. Now, go back to the code. We're going to create a new file. Go to File, New File from Template. In the iOS tab, choose Swift file and click Next. Give it the name locationmanager.swift. I'll provide the code to paste into this file. I delete the import foundation. We're using import core location. A few things worth noting here. Request location kicks off the permission prompt. And Location Manager did change authorization fires when the user responds to that prompt. As soon as they say yes, the code will get an actual location reading. And the did update locations delivers the result of that location, and we store the most recent one in the location variable. Next, we update the content view file. Here we have a variable landmark that stores the location of our landmark. In this case, the Golden Gate Bridge. I just Googled the latitude and longitude. We also save the location that we get from our location manager file and calculate the distance between our location and the landmark location. This is returned in meters, so we have to divide by how many meters are in a mile to get the distance in miles. Here's the app in action. Click on Find Location, and the first time you run this, you will be prompted to allow location permissions. Then the distance is calculated and displayed. In the simulator, there is no GPS. Thus, you have to manual set your location. This is easy enough. Just go to Features, Location, Custom Location. You can Google your location's latitude and longitude easy enough. Okay, that's all there is to it. I hope you found this helpful and it gives a taste for some of the things you can do with location in SwiftUI. Thank you.